Hey guys, I'm Mateo with WTI, and I've never been so excited to talk about cleaning. I really don't enjoy it. I get tired of scrubbing, but I got the solution if you also don't enjoy cleaning. This is the YKYI electric scrubber. My favorite thing about it is that it comes with 8 different type of scrubber heads. So depending on what you want to use it for, what you want to clean, if there's something you can't really reach or clean with one head, you can try a different one. I started cleaning my shower, and as you can see here, the tile was kind of yellowish, but after just a couple minutes of using this electric scrubber, you can see such a difference. It looks incredible. It feels so good to have it nice and clean. It has a very good battery life, so you can be doing all of your cleaning. You don't have to worry about charging it. But if you do need to charge it, I really like that it has a USB-C type of charger, so it will charge super quick so you can continue to clean. It also comes with an extension rod. It gives me a little more stability when I'm cleaning, and it also helps me reach high places without needing a ladder. So if you're looking to actually enjoy cleaning, I really recommend this, and that is my point of view.